want the power to manage risk factors and challenges of mechanical ventilation? Do you want to personalize your lung protective strategies and make a difference in patient outcomes? Then take a look at Servo-u, which offers you a complete user-friendly toolkit for personalized ventilation. Servo Compass is an intuitive tool that alerts you when driving pressure or plateau pressure is increasing and a lung protective intervention may be considered. Our goal with the new Open Lung tool has been to design standardized workflows that optimally divide the workload between the clinician and the ventilator. The automatic Stepwise Recruitment Maneuver workflow will enable a wider range of clinicians to deliver personalized lung recruitment maneuvers according to the open lung approach. In order to reduce potential occurrence of hemodynamic compromise, the pressures are incrementally increased. The decremental PEEP titration provides recruitment effect diagnostics. If no recruitment is accomplished, Auto SRM informs of possible causes. For example, the patient may be a non-responder. The critical closing PEEP is determined. After re-recruitment, the PEEP is set at 2 centimeters of water above the closing PEEP. The results of the recruitment maneuver are presented and clearly color-coded. This helps the clinician with personalized lung protective settings. The Auto SRM workflow is saved to help further assessment of the patient's progress. Servo Compass visualizes reduced driving pressure and continuously monitors deviation from the ventilation strategy. Until now, routine use of transpulmonary pressure monitoring has been restricted to researchers and experts due to the complexity of the technology available. To reduce potential measurement error, an automatic occlusion maneuver has been developed, which aims to validate the esophageal pressure measurement. A diagnostic view provides configurable esophageal and transpulmonary pressure waves with key parameters for controlled and spontaneous ventilation. Open Lung Tool Trends provides further decision support, for example, during the process of escalation to adjuvant lung protective strategies. Personalized ventilation for better outcomes. Servo-u.